Oh, ma'am. You okay?
Oh, it's like heaven.
Is it? All right, we're taking out this old Smoky.
No.
You gotta eat some more Wheaties, huh? You gotta eat some more Wheaties, Joe.
What is it, concrete?
Mm-hmm. You see that cover? Styrofoam. Styrofoam smothered in concrete. Ooh, yeah. I wanted to mount this on the wall, but she said no. Okay. Customer is always right. Okay. So just keep it on the ground then, no wall.
Correct.
And, you want
Are
to
you going to pour something there?
I have a pad to put down there, ma'am.
Oh, you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to put it on the ground, and then we're going to get rid of these bushes, okay? So that the air can breathe, let it breathe, right?
Okay, that
All right.
works for me.
Okay. Let me get
But
at
you're
it.
digging them in that.
All right. Okay. Gotta bring that up just a little bit. That's it. How much oil was on that thing?
No, they're clean. They're dry.
Okay, I'm gonna send 3/8 now.
Okay.
3/8, my friend. That noise is my neck cooler, if you're wondering. But I'm putting it back on, sorry.
You're right.
All right. My neck AC, Joey. You got to get you one of these, buddy. No. I don't think that's 3/8. I don't think that's 3/8, Joey.
What I really like to do up in the attic when it's hot is my shop vac.
Let me know if you get this. Nothing?
Not yet.
All right. Oh, man. I don't think I have any.
There's one.
Huh?
There was one.
Small or big?
Small.
Okay.
One.
Huh?
I got one.
Okay. Should be one more.
Okay.
Comes to 3/8.
Got one.
All right, I think that's it. Got it there, huh? Okay.
Oh, for the little one?
Yeah.
Want the mini bender?
It's in there, yeah.
See if that clipped in. Make sure it clipped in so you're not
Oh. I don't need this.
No.
I need the big head, the fat heady.
Right behind you.
You seeing what I'm doing here?
Yeah.
Because you're going to be doing this shit next time. In the bending, too. Be careful. Hold that. 'Cause that shit will get inside of there quick. I've broke them off in contentors before.
Oh, that's why I was just telling you, make sure it's in. You told me it'll suck it right through.
All right. I need the flux. I'll take much. Oh, it's thermal trap, hot block, thermal trap, whatever you want to do. Check it out, see? I just don't want to heat up that gasket.
Like a jelly?
Jelly. Jelly roll, you know, artist. I never get along. Okay. You got a pair of cutters down there? Never mind, I don't need them. I don't need them. I'm good. Joey, have you used this before? Have you done this before? Okay. That's it. Hit the top.
Done better after Linda's house. Here's the rag.
What's that, buddy?
I've done better after Linda's house.
Yeah. There's a sticker in here. Right? Okay. Now a lot of people don't even do this. How many times have you seen this and read this?
Never.
You've never read this?
No.
Never read this?
I've never read that.
What does that say?
Important. Remove circulating air blower motor, shipping bolt, or shipping pad before installing or operating unit.
Right here, this shipping bolt, my friend. It's got to come out of here.
Important.
Yes. That's it right here.
Okay.
Remove shipping bolt. Where's that label at? Right here. Right there. A lot. I can't count how many furnaces I've seen with that in. They just leave it in there. It doesn't really hurt anything, but they tell you to remove it for a reason. Start this thing up, man. Ooh. You know what I'm saying, Joey? That's good right there. He's back. All right. Here you go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. We are on to the next one. Took our time today. Didn't get started about 10 o'clock. But here we go. We got the X series, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Nice unit. So, yeah, that's it. Me and Joe. Two-man show right now. 14 days, 12 units. And trouble calls in between that. So we're doing pretty good. Time to take a break. Get on to the next one. There you go, ma'am. You okay?
Oh, it's like heaven.
Is it? I got to fix this wire right here. I'm going to have them connect that there, but that's neither here nor there.
Okay.
Come on over here and I'll show you your air conditioner now. You hear that?
Yeah, I was worried about the inside, not the outside.
Oh, okay. I put the rocks in here for you too, okay?
Okay, good. I'll fill it in with that little stuff later.
Okay, I put some.
Sounds good. Yeah, just give me like that whole little thingy on.
All you got to do is keep your filter changed. That's the big thing. Keep your air filter
Well,
changed.
that's why I want you to set me up for,
Maintenance plan?
yeah.
Okay.
Once a year. I don't need twice a year.
No,
Just
I'll give
do
you once a year. I'll set you up on the maintenance, okay?
Uh-huh.
Come out here and check this thing in the springtime, and your furnace will be good.
I like to do it like right about September. You get
Yeah.
the heater and this in September.
Yeah,
Just
we'll do that
both
then. I'll do that
months.
for you.
Okay.
But you keep that filter changed,
Uh-huh.
we keep this clean, you won't be calling me. Other than that, for maintenance, okay?
Okay.
You got, like I said, you got a 10-year warranty, manufacturer's, a 5-year labor. You should be good to go. Let me get some silicone. I'm gonna fill this hole in.
Better, else I'm gonna haunt you.
All right, Mr. Marshall. I'm gonna get. All right, Mr. Marshall.
My nephew did that because I collect sea things. So
I just seen it. Like,
yeah, I don't have.
Oh, your filter? Right here, okay? now on when you change your filters here.
Okay, just put that out.
Yeah. Arrow goes up, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Thank you, thank you.
You feel better?
You too, yes.
After picking